Hi, welcome. I am Brittney with Birth It Forward, certified birth and bereavement doula, certified yoga instructor, and family photographer. Today's yoga flow is a restorative flow to help you get some better sleep as a new mom or as a pregnant mom. So let's start by grabbing a large pillow, a bolster for yoga, or even, as I'm using, a exercise ball. And we're going to do a supported child's pose here. This is going to help relieve some tension in the back and shoulders and promote your relaxation. So take a seat and kneel on the mat with your toes touching, your knees wide apart. Place the bolster, folded blanket, ball, whatever you have, pillows, place them in front of you, and begin by slowly lowering your torso onto your support. Turn your head to one side and rest your arms alongside your body, in front of your body, or hug the bolster. Focus here on slow, deep belly breathing as you relax into this position. We are going to do legs up the wall, Viparita Karani, and this is going to help encourage circulation, reduce swelling, and calm your mind. This is going to be a supported position, so grab a pillow or a yoga block and lay back on your back. To get down, go from the side as you lay down, sit sideways next to a wall. You can do this on a wall, against the bed, against the couch, or straight up in the air as I am doing here. but you're going to gently raise your legs into the air and have your back all the way on the floor. Place a pillow under your hips to help give you some support. And if you have something to lean your feet against, you can lay them against the wall. Adjust the distance from your support as you need to so that you can stay comfortable. Rest your arms along your side with your palms facing up and close your eyes. Take a deep breath and allow your body to fully relax here. We're going to do a supported reclined bound angle. So place that ball or bolster under your back. Place your feet together and relax back onto that ball. Allowing your knees to drop. If that's too intense on your hips, you can grab a block and place them under your hips or knees wherever you need that support, as we allow our legs to fall open. allow that bolster or ball to move aside. Now allow that bolster or ball to move aside. And we're going to come down for a sideline savasana. Place a block or pillow between your knees. You want your hips stacked and just find allow your body to rest, to get heavy. Feel as though you're sinking into the floor, allowing any tension to melt away. Allow your body to rest, to get heavy. Feel as though you're sinking into the floor, allowing any tension to melt away.
your body to rest, to get heavy. Feel as though you're sinking into the floor, allowing any tension to melt away. When you're ready, you can come up out of this pose from a side lying position.
Thank you for joining me. Make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you are told when we have our newest videos. All right, I will see you again next week.